Hello dear viewers, this is Dheeraj, English Guru, and now today the day has come that we are going to release a great video of video recording class. On every week we just release one video of video recording class, and many more students are sitting here and they will record their speech, and by their speech you will get motivated and you will think that you have to speak English. My dear viewers, now I am going to introduce one by one my excellent eloquent student. So one of them I would like to call, please come on stage, Aviraj Sharma. Please come on stage.
Hello everyone, myself Aviraj Sharma. Today's video recording class, and I got a first chance to speak in a class. Today my topic on physical feature of India. As we know that every country has her physical feature. Just like we see that the Indian physical feature, there are many types of physical features. As we know that what is a physical feature? Physical feature is that helps our country in a many ways, like it gives a boundary of our country. It gives some increases of money, like we see that in an ocean we catch the fish and selling, that's cause of the money. Mainly the India has a 6 type of physical feature. We discuss by one. The Indian physical feature is the Himalaya. As we know that the Himalaya is the greatest mountain that covered with ice. It is situated in the east of north of the India. It's wide to 400 km to 150 km to Jammu Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh. Its length is 400,000 km. And the Himalaya are divided into 3 types by longitudinal. The Himadri, the Greater Himalaya, the Himadri, and the Lesser Himalaya. As you see that the Himalaya divided into horizontally by a river. It divided into 4 types. Himalaya is our source. There the rivers where flow. The average medicines which made that things present in a Himalayan mountain. Now we take the plateau. As we know that plateau is a small type of a mountain that's flat on up. In a plateau, we are mainly use it for mining. In a plateau area, then we should have mining of coal, gold, iron. We take up fossils from there. Plateau are in India. Plateau are many places like Jharkhand, Haryana. These places has a plateau. As we go at the peninsular plateau, as we know that the peninsular plateau, which has nearly by a sea, there the water in a side of it. It is covered by 3 sides with water. It's like a fall. In a peninsular plateau, the rivers of waste produced that's gone air. It is the last point of our river that make the peninsular plateau. Now we come on a desert. As you know that the India has a big desert that's situated in Rajasthan. In Rajasthan, desert are not useful for crops, but it is used for make electricity for usage of solar energy and wind energy. We know that the river that's named Luni have only one river that's flowing in Rajasthan, but he can't overflow Rajasthan. It's in Rajasthan. Let's become on a coastal plain. We know that the coastal plain which is situated in the side of oceans. The coastal plain of India is situated in the south. In coastal plain there are many types of things that are situated. In a coastal area, our commanders were trained, and many types. In coastal areas, they have where to fishing. Let's come to our island. We know that India has two islands, Andaman and Nicobar Island and Lakshadweep Island. These two islands are the near to the south of India. In this island they have old tribal people lives. In we see that Andaman and Nicobar Island, they have people that lives in old days. We should our Indian physical features here to the boundary of India. In the north of India, Himalaya just make our boundary for other countries like China. In a see that south of ocean that make a full with ocean, that make a boundary to sea. That we should maintain the physical feature of the India. It's our responsibility to take our physical feature of India. We should always cleanse and see the physical feature of India, what have happened. This physical feature of India, Himalayan and plateau made by earthquake that are containing with minerals. That's all. Thanks.
Hey viewers, you listened Aviraj, and Aviraj told us about physical feature of India. We all know that whenever you go in the world and you will see the features, all the features are constituted in India. Even in India there are mountains, plain areas, coastal lines, peninsular plateau. Each and every types of physical features are available in India. So there is one suggestion, my dear viewers, that if you want to visit all over the world, first you can visit in India and all the experience you will gain. Next, I would like to call, please come on stage, a student whose name is Shruti Sharma. Please come on stage.
Firstly, hearty good morning to all of you. I am Shruti Raj, inhabitant of Bihar as far as my education qualification is concerned, and I am doing in a standard 10th from BR Group Genius Campus. Today is our video class. Today my topic is science. We all know that what is science. Science, the human beings have gained which through experiment and observation when organized systematically is known as science. Science is classified into 5 types: biology, chemistry, physics, zoology and astronomy. Biology is the subject in which we deals about living organism. The biology is subdivided into 2 types: botany and zoology. Botany, in which botany we study about plants. In zoology we study about animals. Chemistry is the subject in which we deals about what is inside the earth's surface, like pressures, force. Physics is the subject in which we deals about fundamental constituents of the universe, like Newton's law, we know that in Newton's law, he tells that every action has equal reaction. It is true. We see that in our world, we are discovering many things with the help of science, like cars, TV, AC, and many things we uses in our daily lives. But it gives also bad effect on our environment. We see that in AC we feel very cold, but it gives very harmful effect to our environment. It pollutes our environments. There are many advantages of science, because it gives us many facility for living for our life. But when we see that disadvantage, there are also many disadvantages of science. I tell you, it gives bad effect on our environment. Due to science, the earth is discovered for 4 billion years ago. According to my conclusion, also science is good, and also science is bad, because we know it gives a bad effect and also good effects. Thank you. That's all.
We listened Shruti Sharma, and Shruti Sharma told about the science, what is science and what is the advantage of science and what is the disadvantage of science. And we all know, my dear viewers, that there are many advantages and disadvantages of science. And due to science, all the things have been modernized, and many more things nowadays we are using. This is the result of modernizing of science. My dear viewers, I will not take time, and I will call one aspirant. So I would like to call, please come on stage, Susmita Pandey. Please come on stage, Susmita Pandey.
Good morning to all of you. I am Susmita Pandey. I belong to BR Group of Genius Campus. My topic today is video classes. My topic is ambition. Everybody has in life ambition. Ambition is the most important in our life. Without ambition, does not life. What to do and what can do, and what to do go any without ambition. But ambition is the success in your life. Firstly choose the ambition and what to do in your life. It give a proper way to what can do in your life, and what to do in your without ambition, not in success your life. It gives to proper way in your life. They do not without any ambition in humans beings. Without any ambition, failure in our life, but choose the ambition in success in life. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Susmita. You tried very well, and you tried to speak. Your topic was very, very good. Ambition. My dear viewers, that you do not have ambition, then a great man said that if you do not have ambition, then you are not born. You must have ambition. Whatever you listen the name of great person, they must have ambition, and due to their ambition we know them. If you want to topper in your class, if you want to speak very well in your class, if you want to take a prestigious job, you want to make your name and fame in the world, you must have ambition. And you think that you do not have enough motivation, that what you have to do in your life, you are just in puzzle, then must visit our channel and must visit to our video and see. And after that you will get motivated and you will think that you have to do something extraordinary in your life. My dear viewers, next I would like to call, please come on stage, Satyam Nath. Please.
Good morning everyone, I am Satyam Nath in 10th standard now and I am the habitant of Sorampur Dulhin Bazaar Patna, but my residence address is Hanuman Nagar in Kankar Bagh. Now I am going to say something about how IITian be clarified their exams and how to become the IITians. Means or engineering. Engineering is of many types like IIT, NIT and ITI. ITI means BTech, Bachelor of Technology, and NIT means National Institute of Technology. IIT means Indian Institute of Technology. Now, but we today talk about IIT. IIT is not hard but hard exam for the students whose aim is to become an IITian. The students have firstly clear the 10th exams and have to take admission in entrance and have to prepare their entrance exam. Means firstly they clear his G Mains exams, and after the qualified the G Mains exam, he will take admission in the G Advanced exam. What is the G Mains exam? The G Mains exam is the first entrance exams to taking the admission in IITian college, and the G Main and the G Advanced is the entrance exams is in which the next step after the G Mains to taking the admission in IITian college. G Advanced is the last entrance exam to taking in the admission of IITian college. There are the many IITian colleges in India, but the some top college in India is IIT Kanpur, IIT Bombay, IIT Patna is also the top, but not top for comparing to the other IITian college. So now we come to there are many type of IITian as software engineers, or IITian means engineer, software engineer, hardware engineer, mechanical engineer, scientifically engineer means the engineer who help the scientist or the assistant scientist maybe say. Now how we prepare the IIT entrance exams? There is the many institutes in which we prepare our IITian entrance exams. In Kota there is in a case of Kota is the most famous institute for clear the IIT entrance exams. In Kota there are the many institutes such as Amherst, NIT, Amherst, IIT Aakash, etc. But after the clear the examination of entrance IIT, the many of the students join their college and get offered jobs in the foreign countries. The professor or the industrials of foreign countries come to the college and offer the job to the students of IITian college. And after the clarify the IITians college, there is the students got many respect and have a different level of respects. Today for this, thanks all.
You listened Satyam Nath gave the information related to IIT, and he told us about that what is the process to go in IIT colleges and how many types of colleges, what are the advantages of these colleges. So in this way he also teaches us that how to get admission in such IIT colleges, and you can make yourself better in your life. Thank you so much, Satyam Nath. Next I would like to call, please come on stage, Sujit Kumar.
Hey guys, this is Sujit Kumar and today is video recording classes, and most of the viewers are also a student and some students are present here. That's the reason today's my topic is a student life. Firstly, I want to say what is importance of a student. A student is most important for our country because he in the future he become lawyers, doctor, IITian, leaders, and etc. That's the reason a student is the most important part of our society, and a student life is the is the part most important part of a man, because therein he study many things know from book, and and he also enjoy that time because he make some friends, and he go from school and coaching picnic to educational tour. That's he also play sport. I think there are three types of a student. First, he who is strong in a study. Second, average student, and third, weak student. A topper student I also चाहते for teachers, because he complete him homework, and average student is average, and weak student almost time is punished. We and I am a student, so I want to tell most of the students do some mistake, because and you all also do some mistake. First mistake is you avoid your work, ignore your work, and you play games and use the mobile, and you don't know your time is live. So a student, it is the most important time, because therein we read, and we can give save in our life. Thank you so much.
You listened Sujit Kumar. Sujit told us the student life, and how difficult and how humorous the student life is. You all know, because everyone just feels, everyone has lived in a student life. So it was very good, and his way of speaking was also very good, and I'm very happy to him. He was speaking very well. Thank you so much, Sujit Kumar. This video is made for you. This video is constructed for you, so that you can listen, you can get motivated, and you can think yourself that you can also speak English, my dear viewers. So if you listen and you think that this was a good video, then you can like the video, you can subscribe our channel, and if you have any question, then you can ask question in our comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video.